Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger entry. First, understand that a ledger entry is a fundamental record of financial transactions. It's crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your books are always balanced. Each entry reflects a specific business event, impacting at least two accounts to uphold the double-entry accounting principle. This systematic approach provides a clear financial picture. Before making an entry, you must gather all transaction details. This includes the precise date, which is vital for chronological record keeping. Next, identify the specific accounts involved, such as an asset, liability, or equity account. Clearly determine the exact monetary value of the transaction. Finally, decide whether each account will receive a debit or a credit. Now, let's record the entry. Debits are always placed on the left side of the ledger or T account, while credits go on the right side. A fundamental rule is that total debits must always equal total credits for every single transaction, ensuring your accounting equation remains balanced. Always include a concise description to easily understand the transaction's purpose later. After recording, post each individual entry to its corresponding general ledger account. Then, calculate the updated balance for each account, reflecting the new transaction. It is essential to regularly review all your ledger accounts to confirm they remain perfectly balanced. This diligent process ensures accuracy and provides a comprehensive, up-to-date financial overview of your business operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.